So I just upgraded my Xcode to version 14, and the first thing I have noticed that by default it does not include watchOS and tvOS. It only comes with iOS and macOS by default. So in this way, the new Xcode is lighter, which Apple claims. The second change I have noticed is Apple added 4 new iPhones, iPhone 14 to iPhone 14 Pro Max. And now you don't have all the simulators by default. You have to add simulators. Like I am adding iPhone 12. The next cool feature of Xcode 14 is now instead of creating all these different sizes for app icons, now you can choose single size. You have to upload only one app icon 1024 pixel and the Xcode will automatically resize it for different devices. Xcode 14 has some major changes in SwiftUI preview. At the bottom left corner, they introduce a variants button. If you click on it, you will see three options. The first one is color scheme variants. In this option, you will get the preview of light mode and dark mode side by side. You can click on them to look bigger. My app doesn't have dark mode because I haven't configured it yet. The next option is orientation variants, in which you can see portrait, landscape left and landscape right. And the last one is dynamic type variants. This is very cool feature of Xcode 14. Here you will see how your view will look with all the different dynamic settings. Another cool feature of Xcode 14 is now the SF symbols are built in your library and it is searchable. Now you don't have to go outside the Xcode and download SF symbol application from the App Store. Another useful feature of Xcode 14 is recent simulator. If you have a lot of simulators, then you don't have to look for your favorite one again and again. Your used simulator will be automatically added in recent. Another new feature in Xcode 14 is now you can see the TestFlight feedback in Xcode with screenshots and everything. Just go to Windows and Organizers. My application doesn't have anything to show up here, but you will see a lot of useful stuff over here. You will also be able to see hang logs over here. Another cool feature of Xcode 14 is build timeline. If your build is taking too long, now you can check which part of your code or module is taking long to build. Let me just clean my build folder and go to product, perform action, build with timing summary. Now click here to see your build. Now click on latest build. Here is the complete build summary. To see the visual timeline, right click on prepare build and click on show in timeline. Here you will see your build timeline visually and you can identify which part of your build is slow. Now coming to the changes in code editor, the first change is we get sticky header. Now if you scroll down you will see you are now in which structure. It also works with functions. Another major improvement in Xcode 14 that will help you in more productivity is autocomplete. Like if we write .frame and we only want min and max width, before Xcode 14 we had to type it or we hold option key and with min and max we get all these extra code. So now in Xcode 14 we can write .frame min max and it will highlight min and max property only and we will get min and max width only. The Xcode will now give us a lot of boilerplate code like for initializer and codables. For example, we have a book model with 4 members: title, author, published date and category. Now if you want to initialize them, just type init and it will automatically initialize all of it. We get the same thing for codable. Just type decode and it will automatically complete it for you. And also we get the same thing with encoder. This will save you a lot of time and increase your productivity. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and smash the like button. Thank you so much for watching.